Welcome to Madhura's Kitchen Diaries. Summer has arrived and we feel like having a refreshing drink which will rejuvenate our spirits. Our today's recipe is a traditional summer cooler, Kairicha Panha. I have used organic jaggery to prepare this drink which is reflected in the color of the panha. Hope you all like watching it, preparing it and serving it to everyone at home. Keep watching our recipes and thank you for following us on YouTube. To follow us on YouTube, search for Madhura's Kitchen Diaries on YouTube. Press the subscribe button followed by the bell icon and select all option to get the latest notifications of all our recipes. For this we will require 3 raw mangoes or kairis. Now these kairis have to be raw and absolutely firm. The kairis which are used for panha are slightly bigger in size than the normal kairis. The other ingredients are 1 bowl of grated jaggery. I have used organic jaggery. If you want, you can use the normal jaggery also. 1 to 2 teaspoons cardamom or elaichi powder. A pinch of roasted cumin or jeera powder. This is optional. And a pinch of salt. Our first step is cleaning our kairi. We will remove the stem of the kairi, and as you can see, after removing the stem, the cheek or the sticky liquid from the kairi oozes out. We'll now clean the cheek and the kairi under running tap water. After cleaning it nicely, we'll wipe it dry with a clean cloth. Our step 2 is cooking the kairis. For this, I have taken water in a pressure pan, placed a stand on it, and then placed the vessel containing the kairis. Close the lid and place the vessel on top of it. I have cooked it for 3 whistles followed by sim for 15 minutes. After cooking the kairis, we'll start peeling off the skin. Keep the skin aside. You can also use spoon as a leverage in case your kairi is hot. We'll now start extracting the pulp with the help of a spoon. If there is any pulp sticking to the skin, just scoop it out gently with the help of a spoon. Taste the pulp a little at this stage. If you feel it is very sour, don't scoop out the pulp from the skin, otherwise your panha will become tangier than what is required. We will mash our pulp so that there are no lumps left in it. We have got 1 bowl of pulp from cooking 3 kairis. We will empty the kairi pulp in a plate. Now we'll start adding grated jaggery to it a little at a time. Start mixing it in portions and break the lumps if any. We can see that it starts getting fluidy once we add the jaggery. It is always better to mix it with hand so that the color of the panha is retained rather than blending it in a mixer. Our mixing is now done. After mixing, just taste a little bit of the mixture. If you feel it is still sour, you can add a little bit of grated jaggery to it. We will now proceed to strain the pulp. We will now align a strainer on a vessel and transfer small portions of the pulp to the strainer and mix it to get a very smooth pulp devoid of any lumps. As we can see in the video, our pulp in the vessel is very smooth. We'll repeat the process till all the pulp has been strained. This process may take a little bit of time but it's totally worth it. Our strained mixture is now ready. Let's add a tablespoon of cardamom powder to the mixture and give it a nice stir. We can now store this mixture in an airtight container in fridge and use it as and when we want to prepare panna. Let us see how to prepare panna now. We'll take a glass and add ice cubes to it. Now we'll add around 2 teaspoons of panna mixture to each of the glasses. We'll add some cold water to it because panna tastes best when it is served chilled. Let's mix it nicely till we get a uniform mixture. We'll add little roasted jeera powder, a mint leaf and a pinch of salt to our drink. And mix it nicely once again. We can also use a part of our panna mixture to form panna cubes so that we can serve it instantly. Our panna is now ready to be served. We hope you have liked our panna recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.